So if you're getting that noise from your Hyundai Kia product, it's the steering coupler. There's your problem. Man, it smells like farts down here.
You're welcome. Just tear apart their car and be like, oh, that's how I do that.
Pop this door off, and then it's a Phillips screw there, and there's some behind this panel here. So this one and this one. So that just pops off, and then you can remove all your electrical connectors on the back of here and on the back of your start-stop button. Okay, so if you get the push-button ones, you can put the key in the glove box ignition. Let's see if that will. Yeah, if you turn it to the on position, you should turn the wheel without locking. Yeah. So we can disconnect this. Yeah. And have that piece completely removed, and then turn your wheel to the right and then to the left to get the screws that hold these together. Oh, there's one on the bottom too. Did you get that one? There. Yeah, there's one on the bottom as well. There we go. It smells like farts down here. A breakfast burrito or something?
There's a sandwich with good ones.
Extra cheese? I did have beans for lunch. I had beans and breakfast sausages and eggs, and that should be it.
Of course, it's a hot day up too. In September.
Oh, you gotta pull the wheel locks down. Okay, wheel lock down. This piece out. Okay. So yeah, this is your airbag connector here. At this point, we disconnect the battery because likely nothing's gonna happen, but just in case. All right, so next steps, start undoing all the wiring that's keeping this steering column from coming down, because the goal is to drop it down. You ever see these type of clips? If you can get them, squeeze them on the back first when you go to pull them, and you can go through a little crooked, so you can rotate to the side and kind of pull them through end by end, and they fit through a bit easier that way. Undo these 4 bolts here, open the column bracket on. I don't know if it's still not here.
Oh.
Now it's ready to drop. Oh, there we go.
Push it in. Push it down.
There we go.
There. So we want to make sure there's not a lot of tension. Okay.
That's hard. Oh, okay, so rotated. It's tight in there. That's all, and it doesn't help. We have aftermarket wiring in the way that kind of makes the harness a little tough to get at. So yeah, so we just want to undo these bolts all around there to pop the motor from. Oh, my eyes are calibrated today. I was right, it's a T30. Ooh. Well, better than your burrito farts. No, just what your chair smells like at all times. It's the permanent smell. Oops, wrong hole. Sorry. Let's see the damage here. It's gone. There is no rubber coupler left.
Oh, sure.
Oh, yeah, so that's making your noise. This wasn't doing much damping between the metal components, between the motor and the steering. Get what you pay for. I can't afford anyone but me for a cameraman. Yeah, so we'll just clean that up, slide the new one in, ready to get these mated up again, and should be nice and smooth.
Why not change the material this is made out of? But I guess I don't know if they can.
Well, you want it to be softer than metal so that the metal never wears out. Because the softer item is the thing that wears, and you don't want to damage your motor or your steering.
Sure.
They probably could have made it a little harder.
That's it. They make it a little harder.
Those couplers there are made of aluminum.
So yeah, okay.
You probably could have gone with a nylon one. But also they do that for steering feel. So if it's an electric car, they're going to put a softer one so it feels more isolated from the road.
Whatever like Toyota's using, right? Yeah. Just tear apart their car and be like, oh, that's how they do that.
What part is it? To take apart a Camry and
We've been using a rubber one that breaks every 6 months. Holy fuck. Yes, we'll fix that.
Yeah, but the rubber one is like 3 cents cheaper than whatever Toyota uses.
Oh, never mind then.
I love your Kia executive accent.
It's Hyundai executive too.
Yeah, well, you can't do a Korean accent.
No. We're not putting that. That's not appropriate.
Yeah, you gotta line them up so they're 90 degrees to each other, and then you gotta put a couple of them.
I just wanted to see, like, that is really just that's simple as that.
That's called a Lovejoy coupler. Usually they're 3-jaw, that one's a 4-jaw.
And that just goes like that. It does. Well, there you go. Problem solved.
It's gotta be clocked right to put it into the other one. But then you can spin the motor after your coupler.
Clock? Jason, this isn't a clock. Do you know even what you're talking about?
That wasn't so bad. Rotate the motor. There we go.
So a couple days after the fix, there's no more clunk noise when you turn the wheel or hit any bumps. So hopefully that was an easy fix for you guys as well. Thanks for watching Gearhead Syndrome, and please subscribe.